Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open your Discord server settings and ensure you have managed server permission. Go to the Rythm bot invite page and select your server from the list. Authorize the bot with the recommended permissions and complete the CAPTCHA if prompted. In Discord, join the voice channel where you want Rythm to play music. Type play followed by a song name or link to start playing immediately. Use stop or leave if you want to remove the bot from the channel. Use play song name to cue a track or play a direct YouTube link. Type pause to pause the current track and resume to continue playback. Use skip to move to the next queued song instantly. Enter queue to view up to 50 upcoming tracks in the current session. Use remove index to delete a specific item from the queue by number. Admins can clear a full queue with clear when necessary. If links fail, paste a valid YouTube URL or search term instead. If Rythm fails to join, check voice channel permissions and bot role hierarchy. Ensure the bot is not server muted or deafened in channel settings. Restarting Discord or reconnecting voice can resolve transient connection issues quickly. Use lower bitrate settings on large servers to reduce audio dropouts during playback. Respect copyright rules. Prefer licensed sources or your own content when streaming. Contact Rythm support or consult help channels for advanced configuration and updates. Consider using volume 75 to set loudness when many listeners are present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.